The career that you're embarking on is the data management career. The data governance model is a very tiny part of it, as you see on the screen. Yeah, it's about 1/8. But at Berkeley Data Strategies is actually 1/11, because we've added data strategy, AI data governance, and AI data quality as well. I'll take you through the approach of setting policies, standards, assigning roles and responsibilities when we take data governance model. The business will define what their data mean. Right? The people who work in the business, the end users. But you need to identify certain roles: data owner and data stewards. The owner is accountable. It's a senior member of a business function. They have access to budget. They have a level of authority. They have vested interest in that data for it to be trusted. And then you have the steward. It's a subject matter expert. They also sit in the business function. Yeah. Because they are SMEs, they will understand data that is used for the critical processes within their business functions. So they are the ones that will provide you with definition. Your job is to apply a litmus test. Each definition must be clear, complete, concise, not confusing. No acronym that is not explained. HSBC, for example, as an acronym, can be how simple became complex. It can also be Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation. So which one? So to answer your question, the definition will come from the business folks. But your job is to apply that litmus test and then agree that definition across the organization. The finance, sales, marketing, HR, everybody agrees to use that definition. There are some CDEs or critical data that will be of interest to more than one business function. So within financial services, for example, there's turnover. It's a finance data. It's also a risk data. Right? It's finance because turnover obviously is money that we've made. And then it's a risk factor because you have to make a certain amount of money for you to remain in business. Right? So somebody must own it. They must have the same definition across those two business functions, for example. You get it? When we get to the next module, I'll break it down more. I'll deep dive into these kind of scenarios.